own. Okay, I'll call mine student performance. So I'll call it data data analysis test sheets. Good. First time, just test my ability. You're all students. So let me connect to text file. So I called my analysis test sheets. Open mine, yeah. And it's opened, yeah. Okay. If I want to show everything, so go to worksheets. So I take my course to column and my student name to row. Let's see. Let's name to detail, score to label. Good. So let's even make the score. Let's go student name to have different color. Student name of different color. Sharp. And drag it to be bigger than this. Okay, let's get the average of that. So sum, measure, average. Good. This is for them. I'm done with this one. We'll put it on the dashboard. On the dashboard, new dashboard. We call this one. Rename it. You can rename it if you want to. We just call it. No, from inside dashboard. When you move from. Okay, look at my screen. So average student score, average score of students. Go down to sheet one, yes, click right, go up to sheet one. Now you passed it. Yes, click right and name it there. You understand? It's good. Let's see. Pause here. Let's see. Pause your own here. Stop sharing. Let's see. Trust on what you have seen. Yes, good to go. I'll show you guys how to export. It's not how to export it as your choice. So let's see. Trust. Okay, stop sharing. I don't know, but it's not showing here. I think it's not less than 10 minutes more. All right. Mr. Trust, over to you. I call you Trust, yes. Over to you. Okay, let's see what you have done so far. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, let's see how to export. You export that. So let's export it. Export on Tableau. It's not hard. So if you it's not, if you just go back to your the dashboard you have there, then okay, I think okay, let me guide. Let me guide them. So if you go back to your Power BI, you have the okay. Let me share it. Oh, okay, my screen. You can see like you can share it. You can export as PowerPoint. Very so now file export as okay PowerPoint. What else again? Okay, I see PowerPoint. Let's see PowerPoint. Include this view. This view exports. Then you save it. Let's save it in our download folder. I call it my first try. First try in Tableau. My own name, share. Your own choice. So Tableau. Save. I think it's any sign is done. It's done. Let's go back to my file and see if it's showing. First try. Okay, good. Open in Tableau. Let's see PowerPoint. Next one is this. Okay. Let's see it if slideshow from beginning. Let's pick one. Okay. Give us this. So it's not bad. So it's done without it Tableau. The first try.